Hey, welcome back everybody. We thank you for coming back, taking some time for our channel. But for today, what we're going to do is we're going to make y'all and show y'all how to make stuffed cheddar bacon wrap peppers. That you're probably looking at us and going, hey, we see that every day. Well, you might see that every day, but they're not my way. So today, it's my way. It's Hobby's bacon wrapped cheddar and cream cheese peppers with a twist. What we're going to be showing y'all is how to make some pico de gallo using simple ingredients. You're going to need some cilantro, some onions, tomato, peppers, and lemons. That's for the pico de gallo. You're also going to need some bacon. I prefer the butcher block bacon and thicker, but whatever you prefer, that's up to you. I like ranch dressing for my bacon wrapped cheddar peppers, so we're going to use that. Some cheddar for the peppers, excuse me. Some Philly original cream cheese. So with all that set in mind, think about it, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to begin. First of all, I like to cut my tomatoes. There's no right or wrong amount. It all depends on you. It's by taste, just like your typical cooking. You can put 1 whole tomato, 2 whole tomatoes, you know, combination of 50-50. It's just to your liking. It's a simple way to add that extra twist to your bacon, cheddar wrap, cream cheese, stuffed peppers. So once you're done with that, you just take it, put it in your bowl, go back over here, cut you up some of the onion, make sure you take the skin off. Make sure you don't cut your finger. If you do, make sure you dial 911 or head to your nearest emergency hospital. That's simple. Once you got your onions, you're going to take some cilantro. Same thing, just cut it. It's to taste, so there's no right or wrong amount again. Whatever you prefer, it's up to you. You can leave it pretty thick, cut it fine, whatever you like. Just like that. Now, that we've got all that cut up, I'm going to take me some of my lemon. Make sure I don't have any seeds in it. Just squeeze about a teaspoon, just a little bit for taste. Nothing major. See, I just dropped a seed. Yes, I washed my hands. I'm going to mix that up. You can tell. It's whatever you prefer. If you want more tomatoes, more onions, it's all about taste. It's like comfort food. Whatever comforts you when you're eating, that's what you're going to do. Alright. Now, typically and normally, take the peppers. Take a little pico de gallo just right there. Just like that. Get some cheddar cheese. That's your traditional, just cheese, pepper, with a little pico de gallo. I'm going to wrap the bacon. Get a toothpick, just like you normally would. Slide that puppy right through there just to hold it in place. Put it on your cookie sheet and repeat the process.
smart idea.
We'll do one more cheddar and then we'll do the cream cheese. Alright, now for the cream cheese. Same process, just using cream cheese instead of the cheddar. Gotta wipe my hands a little bit. And then again, there you go. 2 more, then we'll stick them in the oven. Again, 400 degrees for 23 minutes, depending on the thickness of your bacon and the size of your jalapeno peppers. There we go. All right, so we got 3 cheddars, 3 cream cheese. Nothing major about it, just a little twist. So now we're going to the oven. Again, 400 degrees, about 23, 25 minutes, depending on the thickness of bacon and your jalapeno peppers. So we'll see you all in about 23 minutes. Till then, we'll see you in a minute. And we're back. This should be ready right about now, so let's take a look. Make sure you get your glove, not burn your hand. Oh yeah, we're good to go. Check that out.
That's fantastic.
Cheddar peppers, cream cheese, cheddar peppers, all right there, all good, with a twist. So let me change this glove around because I'm right-handed, not left-handed. Look at them bad boys right there. Now if that ain't comfort, I don't know what is. Just like that.
Those are perfectly cooked.
So, that is your bacon wrapped cheddar peppers, cream cheese cheddar peppers with a twist. What? Whatever. Anyway, that's my wife. She'll tell you later whatever she was saying. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this. What?
Cilantro?
What about the cilantro?
You forgot that part.
Yeah, pico de gallo.
Okay.
With a twist. That's the
Okay.
part. She's my narrator. She ain't doing too well. Anyway, we want to thank you all for stopping by, watching us show you how to make something new. So, what else? Well, 2 things. Join my wife's next video as she tells you the rules on our Walmart $50 gift card giveaway on December 15th. So, yeah, she'll know more about that because I really don't. Anyway, 2, I want you all to do me a favor. When y'all get up tomorrow, before you get out of bed, before you pick up your cell phone, pick up your voicemail, text messages, do and say one thing. Say it's going to be a great day. And when you get out of bed, no matter what happens, remember, it's going to be a great day. Because 10% of what occurs to us is only 10% out of 100. The other 90% is what we choose and how we choose to act upon it. So remember, tomorrow morning, before you get out of bed, before you pick up your cell phone, before you pick up your text message, voicemails, whatever the case may be, tell yourself and believe it. It's going to be a great day. So from our family, from our kitchen, to yours. We'll see you next time, and have a blessed day.